Today we are going to unbox LG Ultrawide Monitor. It is 34-inch IPS HDR model 34BN770. This one is ultra-wide, 21 by 9, which means it's good for 2 vertical screens. This is 16 by 9 standard monitor. And this one is 32 by 9, which is twice as wide as 16 by 9. You can also make 3 screens, 1 horizontal, 2 vertical. So this one is gonna be kinda in between those. Full price of this is $450. I bought it on sale for $280. Let's see what we have inside. Here on top we get base, we got stand, and we get all the cords and manual in this bag. Here we have the monitor, well protected. First 3 bags contain this. This is the base, this is the stand, power adapter with ground pin, pretty big. DisplayPort and HDMI cord, and the manual, and it tells you to register. I'll try to assemble it without looking at the manual. So we have 2 screws here and this thing with 2 screws. And this is the stand. I believe this is gonna be the front. Let's see, comes with this thing. Should go here, logically. And this goes like this. And we're gonna screw them here. Tells me to go clockwise. This part is ready. This is the monitor. I like this bezel kind of small, although we'll have some black in here. It's definitely not OLED kind of thing, you know, with a very tiny thin bezels and very thin, but I'm not paying OLED money either. This is the back. We have serial number, model number, all that stuff. And let's see here, DisplayPort, 2 HDMIs, 2 USB-A. This one, is it USB-B? Headphones, and this is for power. And here we have 4 kind of holes to connect to the stand, to this thing. Let's see, should be fairly easy. You need to fit it in. That's it. That's it. This is it. Very easy. I'm going to use DisplayPort with it, DisplayPort cord with it. There is no mounts coming with it. I believe this one we can lower. Let's see. To lower it, just push it down or up. Down, up. It also came with this thing to consolidate the cords on the back. I'm not gonna use it. And here we go. I get it connected and everything works right away. You can separate screens like this, cat videos. This is the monitor where I bought it. I think it was like $280, $270, $290. It's a decent price for what it is. We can see specs here. Response, everything is good, contrast is great, 99% is great. At this price it's great, at full price $450, not great. Here you can press button and you can control stuff, turn it off. It has sounds, the sound quality is okay, but it's basic. Maybe if you want to watch a video or something. Not so great for listening to music. Watching a movie may be fine. Has some different things here, but it's all one button. We can adjust brightness. I like this picture mode. And here you can see dimensions comparison. This is 16 by 9 versus 21 by 9.